Hi guys, it's Frankie from Frankie Tech. Good to see you guys again, and I'm here at the Forest in Mongkok, ready to unbox a very special phone, the one you've been waiting for. It's none other than the Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro 5G. Here we go, guys. And it's been a crazy day of first looks. This is the second one of the day. Let's go ahead and do this street tech style, anytime, anywhere. Frankie Street Tech, oh yeah. And I got the Mi 10 Pro 12GB, 256 gigs of storage. This retails for 4,999 yuan, entry level. So let's go ahead and open this up. And yes, I have opened this up before just to get it set up. I want to show you guys what is inside the box here first. And look at this gorgeous, gorgeous white version that I got of the Mi 10 Pro. It's absolutely stunning. My wife might like this device. She loves these kind of beautiful gold kind of accent colors, and yes, they do have it in the blue. That's my traditional color that I'd like to unbox. But hey, you know what, beggars can't be choosers, and this is the version that I got for now. So this is the China ROM version also, guys, so you do need to sideload Google Apps, but I will confirm with that with you shortly. And there it is, the Mi 10 Pro 5G. Just gorgeous. And apologies for the sights and sounds of Hong Kong. Let's go ahead and look here what we have in the box. The USB-C charging cable, there it is. And let's have a look here at, now this is oh wow. There we go, guys. Look at this 65 watt charger out of the box. Oh baby, I didn't expect that at all. I thought we were gonna get the 50 watt charger in the box. So there we go. I'm gonna set this stuff aside real quick. There we go. And there it is. Let's go ahead and remove this plastic together. I've been waiting for this phone for so long, guys. The Mi 10 has been an awesome device, but now that this Mi 10 Pro is out, this is the version of the phone that I've been wanting this whole time. Let's do this together here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's the stuff. And now we remove the sticker here. Let's put that stuff aside there. And there it is, guys. Your first look on Frankie Tech of the Mi 10 Pro 5G, 12 gigs, 256 GB of storage. What a stunning device. And talking about design already, I can already tell you I love this matte back so much. It's absolutely beautiful, just what I wanted in a phone. And because it's a white back, this one will show even less fingerprints than your typical blue or kind of black back phone. So that is a positive here to this one. Now we have the same kind of configuration as the Mi 10. We have the dual speakers on both sides, USB-C, and we have very small antenna bands there, and then the volume rocker and all that stuff, power button. And the display is gorgeous. Look, let's face it, guys. The original Mi 10 display is a similar one, but this one has an even better display, which apparently has one of the most, just best calibrated displays Xiaomi has ever shipped. So the display at 6.67 inches looks gorgeous as well. And, pretty hefty device, though, same as the Mi 10, which is at 9mm, 208 grams. It's a pretty kind of hefty device, but yes, it is a bit slick. And so that helps. The curves do help with the edge. Oh man, guys, I think this Pro version, it's making me fall in love with the Mi 10 series all over again. Now, yes, the curve is there, as you can see. So that is the one negative I do have, is that the curve is pretty significant, and I'll explain why in a second. But we got the Snapdragon 865, and let me show you guys the version that I have. There it is, the 865, 4,500 milliamperes capacity. And the cameras on this Mi 10 Pro are significantly better than the Mi 10, because you have a 20 megapixel ultra wide with an 8 megapixel portrait lens, 12 megapixel telephoto, and 108 megapixel sensor. So you have a lot of that good stuff, and then 12 gigs of RAM as well. And this also has that buttery smooth, let's see that it's set up. It's gotta be, I can already tell that it is. There it is, 90 hertz refresh rate set up. So obviously same deal as the Mi 10 Pro, no 3.5mm headphone jack, but obviously we do have the dual speakers, and they are pretty improved. If they're anything like the Mi 10s, these might be even better, so stay tuned for that as well. And now let's do a quick Frankie Tech camera shot here. let's just get one done before some more horns honk very, very soon. So let's get this done in 3, 2, 1. Let me take a shot out there for you guys. 3, 2, 1. There we go. And let's see how we did here. Frankie Street Tech unboxings. I've inaugurated them today for this. There you go. Gorgeous shot. So a beautiful phone, guys. And stay tuned for more details about this Mi 10 Pro, and you know, any comments, any questions you have. And I think the major comment you probably have is the one and the reason why this is all happening today. Because guess what, guys? I think I know the comparison you want to see. Oh yes, and here we are, guys, your first look of the Mi 10 Pro right next to the Galaxy S20 Ultra. And let's do a couple minutes here just talking about these two phones, because look at these devices. They are stunning. They are just stunning devices, but one is a lot more expensive than the other. You know that. And this S20 Ultra, I just got it earlier today, and it is essentially double the price of this Mi 10 Pro. So today begins my Mi 10 Pro versus Galaxy S20 Pro coverage, and this is what I really want to answer here. Is there enough in this S20 Ultra that is worth double the price of this incredible Mi 10 Pro? Stay tuned, guys, and hit me up with any questions, any comments you have about this, because this is the comparison I've been waiting for, and I know you guys have been waiting for it as well. And anyways, that's it for this video, guys, but just showing you around these phones so you can see the differences between them. And stay tuned, like I said, for the full comparison. Anyway, that's it for this quick unboxing and first look, guys. If you liked it, give me that thumbs up. And if you love the content of Frankie Tech, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon for future updates. Stay tuned, guys. This is going to be a great series, and I can't wait to present it to you starting tomorrow. We're going to have the first video in that, coming with camera comparisons, all the stuff. Keep it locked here to Frankie Tech, and I do appreciate, to all my OG fans, all your support as well. Anyways, that's it for this video, and this is where I leave you by saying, this is Frankie Tech signing off. Have a good one.